Warning. So many areas will feel like 110 to 115 degrees. So that's when you factor in the humidity. So an excessive heat warning in effect starting at 9 through 7 p.m. this evening for the highlighted areas in magenta. And then we have a heat advisory that will be in effect for many areas that's highlighted in that orange between 105 and 112 degrees. Again, that's the feels like temperature when you factor in the air temperature and the humidity. And I think because of the sea breezes, that's going to help to somewhat cool things down as we look at our extreme southern parishes there. So anyways, it's going to be hot today. Just make sure you're being very careful while you are outside. If you're planning on being outside, right now it's 83 degrees, feels like lower 90s. It looks hot and hazy out there, but we are dealing with plenty of clouds right now. I do expect a mix of sunshine and clouds through the day and a few pop-up showers and thunderstorms as we head into the later afternoon hours, just like what we've been seeing for the past several days or so. So as we look at the current heat indices, many areas are feeling like lower 90s. That includes Belle Chase, and we're looking at mid to upper 80s. Galliano, Raceland, and Thibodaux. Again, it's feeling very warm out there. So today's forecast, 96 degrees, slightly above average. The average high for this time of the season, 92. But again, we'll be near record heat once again. Yesterday, we saw a daytime high officially at the airport, 97. And again, the record heat or the record high set back in 1993 was 98 degrees. So we'll be close to that today. But look at this. Later on this afternoon, it's going to feel very hot outside around 1, 2 o'clock. Again, this is the feels like forecast. So just make sure you are just being very careful, practicing heat safety, just like what you've been doing for the past week or so. And it's going to remain hot as we head into the early evening hours. As we take a look at Mandeville, today you all will see 96 degrees. It's going to feel like 108 to 111 degrees with isolated showers and storms. But again, those storms will move, just like what we saw yesterday. So that's the great news. So as we take a look at the water vapor imagery, again, we have an upper level ridge centered over portions of Oklahoma. You can see it is pretty weak. And then we have a surface high pressure over the Gulf of Mexico, but I am tracking a cluster of thunderstorms over the Gulf of Mexico and actually heavy rain as we look at Port Fourchon and Grand Isle, which you see indicated by the purples and the reds and oranges. So it's raining heavily in that area, and also we're seeing a few thunder or lightning strikes in that area. But other than that, I'm not tracking rain anywhere else. We are all starting off pretty dry for the moment, but as we look ahead, again, the pattern is going to change. So we're actually going to see a break in this heat wave as that ridge of high pressure continues to weaken, shifts westward. That's going to allow an upper level trough to push in a cold front, and that cold front is going to be a big player changing our weather pattern. So it is going to break the humidity as we head into our Wednesday, but it's also going to generate widespread rain Monday through Tuesday, even Wednesday morning, because that same frontal boundary is expected to stall out, and then we're looking at an unsettled pattern as we kick off the work week. And I do expect somewhat drier air to move in, so less humid conditions to wrap up the ending of our work week. I think that's fantastic news. We definitely need that relief. So as we take a look at the models here, a few spotty showers today and tomorrow, especially along the coast. As we head into your Monday, look at that cold front now sliding on through. Widespread rain, a few breaks here and there, but again, heavy rain in a few spots. And again, that's going to last well into your Wednesday morning before that drier air sets in, less humid conditions. So that's it. The weather's going to feel so much better. And as we look at the rainfall potential, many areas picking up between 1 to 2 inches of rain, again, Monday through your Wednesday morning. So a quick peek at what's going on in the tropics. Everything is fairly quiet. Currently, there are no concerns. And then your 7-day forecast. Today's hot, humid, temperatures climbing into the mid-90s.